Hello everyone, I welcome you all. This is Lata Avhad, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry at KVN Naik Arts, Commerce and Science College, Canada Corner, Nasik. In last lecture, we discussed about the McMurry reaction. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the Pinacol reaction and Acyloin reaction of free radical. A Pinacol coupling reaction is an organic reaction in which carbon-carbon bond is formed between the carbonyl groups of an aldehyde or ketone in presence of an electron donor species in a free radical process. Consider this general reaction in which two molecules of ketone when treated with electron donor species. This electron comes from the dissolving metals such as sodium, magnesium, zinc and aluminium, and we get from this here oxygen negative and here a radical. This is called as kettle radical anion. The resonating form of this kettle radical anion is written like that. Here oxygen radical and here negative charge. This kettle radical anion in presence of protic solvent like as ethyl alcohol, we get this alcohol as a product. And if this kettle radical anion in presence of a protic solvent such as benzene, ether at 80 degrees Celsius, we get this diol as a product. Now moving towards mechanism. First, in protic solvent, in presence of protic solvent, the resonating form of kettle radical anion, solvent ethanol, this negative charge abstract this proton, and here we get here hydrogen R and oxygen radical. In next step, addition of one electron take place and we get alkoxide ion, and after H plus we get this alcohol as a product. Next, in presence of a protic solvent. In a protic solvent, the kettle radical anion in presence of Mg2 plus, here two molecules, we get here oxygen, Mg, here oxygen, here R and here radicals. In next step, coupling of this radical take place and we get here oxygen bond Mg bond oxygen. Next, in presence of acid, we get this diol as a product. Now we will see Acyloin reaction. The ketyl radical anion is formed from ester in the same way formed in Pinacol and McMurry reaction of ketones and aldehyde, and then it undergo radical dimerization called as Acyloin reaction. That is, ester also undergo Pinacol type of coupling. So the reaction, the two molecules of this ester in presence of sodium and ether, we get alpha hydroxy ketone as a product. Mechanism of this reaction is like that: when ester in presence of sodium, it provides one electron to this pi star of this carbon, and we get here oxygen negative, sodium positive, here OAT, and here new radical, and we get this ketyl radical anion. This ketyl radical anion is coupled with another molecule of ketyl radical anion, and we get here OAT, O negative, Na positive, here OAT, here oxygen negative, sodium positive. This is unstable. So in next step, this negative charge delocalize as of OAT take place, and we get this 1,2 diketone. In next step, addition of one electron from sodium to this carbonyl carbon, and we get here oxygen negative, here radical, in next step this radical reacts with this radical, and here formation of new radical take place on oxygen, here O negative, here double bond, here oxygen radical, and here remaining carbon. In next step, this oxygen radical abstract one electron from sodium, and we get here oxygen negative, double bond, here oxygen negative, and propyl group. In next step, this is called as indiolate, and after acid hydrolysis we get this vicinal diol, and finally we get our product, that is alpha hydroxy ketone. So this is all about Pinacol reaction and Acyloin reaction. If you like this video, then press like button, share with your friends, and to get notification of new videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.